My name is Graceful King, an Abuja Realtor with over a decade of experience in the Abuja market. For me, real estate is not just a career, it is passion and a journey of purpose. After selling in various capacities with developers and working closely with clients, I realized that families, especially first-time home buyers and investors, needed someone they could truly trust. I noticed a huge gap in professionalism, relationship, integrity, transparency within the real estate industry. So many people were left vulnerable to scams and poor decisions. That is why I started 3G Project to bridge the gap between developers, sellers, buyers, and authorities, and to bring back trust into the real estate. At 3G, everything we do is driven by professionalism, relationships, integrity, customers orientation, and excellence. These values guide every client we serve. In Abuja and across Nigeria, people face challenges like lack of transparency, fake and unprofessional agents, unverified property documents, and complex legal processes. At 3G, we simplify the journey, ensuring every transaction is smooth, verified, and stress-free. Smooth property transaction without stress. Verify property deals with no scams or hidden traps. Access to homes for different budgets and lifestyles. Faster decision making with professional guidance. Property management services that saves clients time and energy. Real estate investment opportunity that creates long-term financial growth. With us, you don't just get property, you get peace of mind, you get confidence, pride of ownership, and the joy of wealth creation. We serve families, investors, diaspora Nigerians, and first-time home buyers. No matter where you are, we make the process safe, transparent, and rewarding. Our clients walk away with more than property. They walk away with satisfaction, trust, and long-term relationship built on results. With us, the future you unlock is security, pride, peace of mind, and lasting wealth. Let's make your real estate dream a seamless reality. Send me a DM, WhatsApp, or call, and let's get you started on your journey to owning your dream home with confidence. Don't forget to follow me on this page and turn on your notification for more amazing information I'll bring to you.